The 2022 Curry Duck and Duck Curry cooking competition in Cancun was well worth the trip. The guests started to flow into Cancun from Trinidad, Guyana, New York, Orlando, Miami, Atlanta, New Jersey, Canada, and as far as the Netherlands. Cancun was vibrating with the beat of the Tassa drums as Raymond Ramnarine entered the stage. Travelspan Amrals Duck Curry and Curry Duck cooking competition is meant to bring family and friends together with our music, our cuisine, and our culture while enjoying our vacation. The competition today was a spectacular experience for the Mexicans and other guests, and of course our very own West Indians, all staying at the resort. The 2022 winner was Ryan Chan and his team. The winner's celebration continued into the night.
जन्म जन्म का साथ है निभाने को सौ सौ बार मैंने जन्म लिए Gunga gana gave, gunga gana gave. Take it out, let me see you.
Hold on one another, I love you, love up each other. Let's dance together, I love you, love one another.
तेरे संग झूल रहा है मेरी बाहों में जग सारा तूने कहा था तुमसे नहीं रूठेंगे कभी दिल की तरह से आज मिले हैं कैसे बना छूनेंगे कभी
Sunday was scheduled as a rest day, but many of the guests will have nothing less than more music and more fun.
My name is Cancun.
And how was the curry duck here?
It was excellent. I'm from Trinidad, and I'm looking forward coming back to the next curry duck. Any part of this world that will happen. Everything was just perfect. Everything excellent. Excellent. I can't complain.
You had a good time?
It was great. Owner, the hotel. Yeah, had a very good time.
How was the Travelspan Amrals Curry Duck competition?
From my experience, it's the first time, and to be honest, I came to have fun and with excitement. I do enjoy it. It's a learning process, and I really do enjoy it. Definitely.
Nice. Thank you.
I love the crew.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
I work with them, and it's so pleasant and nice to ask a question and support it.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
AB Travelspan Vacations and Amrals guests were well pleased.
You enjoyed the
with their vacations.
performances?
Did a wonderful job.
Nice. Would you
We
come
are
back
looking
again?
forward to see you all
Anytime,
next year.
without doubt. But you guys are very good.
Thank you.
जग में मेरा राज दुलारा तुझे सूरज कहूँ या चंदा तुझे दीप कहूँ या तारा